we have to see on a career path now, you have to show me what I want to see. I'm not मतलब मैं घुमा फिरा के नहीं बोलूँगा. तो try and evolve your game कि अगर कोई देखने आ रहा है ना, try and evolve it. कि अगर मैं नहीं देखूँगा I'll be like हाँ ठीक है, maybe next time. So just try and evolve yourself and trust me, सारे लोग बहुत अच्छे थे. Trust me. जब मैंने शुरू किया था इंडियन एमएमए वाज आपका भी लेवल नहीं था. यू गाइस आर नाउ स्टार्टिंग हियर टू गो अहेड. सो द रोड इज फ्री फॉर यू गाइस एंड बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. एंड नॉट जस्ट यूएफसी, इवन दो मैं यूएफसी के लिए मैं काम करता हूँ. इस पीएफएल व्हिच इज नाउ पीएफएल बेलेटोर, देयर इज वन चैंपियनशिप, देयर इज वन प्राइड, यूएई वॉरियर्स, एंड आई नो ऑल ऑफ देम. आई नो ऑल ऑफ देम. सो बिफोर सेंडिंग अंशुल चौधरी, मैंने उसे कहा था कि just one performance of a night bonus, one performance of a night bonus. Everybody is in this for passion and money. But if you go the right road, if you stick with the right people, team के साथ रहो, and बहुत सारे opportunities हैं. Just be in touch with them. They are in touch with me. अगर आपको career बनाना चाहते हो, तो this is the right time. 10 साल पहले option ही नहीं था हमारे पास. But now हमारे पास option है. Like both of you are fabulous. Like everybody was great at it. Everybody. So I was very happy because this is where we start at. And यहाँ से सिर्फ हम लोग आगे जा सकते हैं and ऊपर जा सकते हैं. Which is a very very good plus point. So for road to UFC typically क्या होता है? I just need to see potential and we need to, and again before road to UFC also मेरे पास budget है to send people to the performance institute in Shanghai for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So we can develop you guys there also, and it's all expense paid. So आपकी तरफ से कुछ नहीं है, only visa. I just need the visa. So I do the ticket, I do stay, I do food.
Don't worry, that is taken care by ACS. Visa we will take care.
Like 15,000 rupees. तो and अगर वो support मिल रहा है जो normally नहीं मिलता है, then literally आपके pocket से कुछ नहीं जाएगा. But again मैं आपको honestly बहुत बोलूँगा that everybody यहाँ पे they are very hungry. जैसे ही वो comfortable life हो जाती है, सब लोग का motivational level नीचे जाता है. And अगर वो हुआ, then I'm the first one to say कि दरवाजा वहाँ पे है please. And there's no second chance. Like I told them, I will just come and see once. अगर मुझे potential दिखा good, other I will not come back. Because I'm not going to be wasting my time. And my time is very important. So, but I was very happy to see all of you all. Almost everybody. वो at least a 5-1 seconds. 5-1 then बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए. I have gone to other places जहाँ पे it's just the basic, not even 1 on 10. If you guys want to make this a career, this is the right place. और ये अभी सही वक्त है. Give yourself time, be dedicated, be focused, be honest. And नहीं हो रहा है ना, just tell the 2 bosses कि नहीं हो रहा है. I want to pursue IT, I want to become a teacher or something. Don't waste that, because they are also giving time, and time is very important. The road to UFC, you just reach out to them, they will call me, and then we'll see as to what we can do. Like, I'll be very honest, क्योंकि देखो मेरा, see I represent the country in a way ना, मैं आपको लगता है कि you're ready, but अगर आप छोटी मछली हो और आप sharks के साथ जा रहे हो, I know कि you guys will get finished. So it's important to be real. We are here to guide you and nurture you. When you are ready, I myself will come and tell you boss you're ready. If you have the opportunity, अगर कोई दूसरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो, I'm happy to give you this opportunity. कि बहुत सारे फाइटर्स ना बहुत गुस्सा हो जाते हैं कि अरे सर बट आई एम रेडी. बट मुझे पता है कि वो लेवल क्या है, एंड अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टेंसेस ना आई विल नॉट मेक इंडियन फाइटर्स एज फीडर्स. फीडर्स मतलब दूसरे फाइटर्स का रिकॉर्ड बनाने के लिए ये लोग को हराओ. एंड आजकल तो वही हो रहा है. अगर आपको इंटरनेशनल वेकेशन चाहिए, फ्री का वेकेशन चाहिए, ये दिस इज नॉट द प्लेस फॉर यू. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस हैव द पोटेंशियल. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज I've been to road to UFC. I've seen the Chinese fighters, the Japanese fighters, the Indonesian fighters, Singapore fighters. There are now some Turkish fighters, Kazakhstan fighters. Our fighters are right there. हमारे में problem है ये mindset. So mindset. Are you guys strong enough? Yes. Are you guys quick enough? Yes. Skills है, हाँ है. But as I say ना, it's not a skill issue, it's a will issue. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बैग पे दे परफॉर्म वेरी वेल, जैसे रिंग में घुसते हैं ना दे फ्रीज. and try and understand कि yes, you guys are ready for it. But जब पहली बार when we took Bharat Kandare to the UFC and it was in the Mercedes-Benz Arena and we were pumped up, we were ready. Opponent change हो गया, weight class change हो गया, सब कुछ visa reject हो गया, but we went there. But जब हम लोग entry मार when we are in the tunnel and 20,000 Chinese fans जब आपको boo करते हैं, it's a very difficult thing to take up. आपको लगता है कि it's easy, it's not easy. When you walk in that tunnel and you see आपके ऊपर Pepsi फेंक रहे हैं, आइसक्रीम फेंक रहे हैं, napkins फेंक रहे हैं, people are spitting on you. At that point of time, will you break or will you say, "Boss, अभी तो मैंने इसको ना मारा." That's the mental issue. If you guys can cross that part, go. You guys are superstar. So that's one very important aspect. You guys are there, but trust us when we tell you yes, you are ready. That's the time when you're ready. Another question what fighters normally ask me is that why don't we get enough notice period to fight? 3 महीना 2 महीना क्यों नहीं मिलता? बाकी के fighters को क्यों मिलता है? क्योंकि we are still not developed. We are still looked as grade B fighters. So we will always be second options. अगर मैच मेड है 3 दिन के नोटिस पे फाइट मिलेगा, 3 हफ्तों के फाइट पे मिलेगा, maybe 3 weeks पे मिलेगा. But you will have to be ready for that. You know, if there's an opportunity and आप बोलोगे अरे नहीं सर ये इसमें इंजरी है, शोल्डर में इंजरी है, नी में इंजरी है, आई एम नॉट रेडी. That's your opportunity. It's gone. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि प्लीज बी 70% रेडी all the time throughout the year. Like a GSP, like all these guys, they're 70% ready all the time. One phone call, 3 weeks notice, yeah, okay, cool, I'm ready. We will always be second choices, sometimes third choices. But वही opportunities मिलती है. That is how the sport is evolved. You know, अगर आप कोई भी Brazilian को call करो, 2 days notice, 3 days notice, he'll come, he'll pack up, he'll come, he'll be like, yeah, I'm ready because he's there to kill. Are you guys there to kill? That's the question. Always please be ready. Listen to the team, and nothing can stop you. So the other opportunities. UAE Warriors or PFL is looking to come to India, so they called me. I mean, and they are more than happy to take Indian fighter. वो बहुत खुश हैं. हमारे में दम है, but we need to be ready for that stage. रणजी से वर्ल्ड कप नहीं खेल सकते. You have to slowly climb. Pressure is there. Lot of pressure. And अभी तो every sport comes on TV. UFC आ रहा है, अभी PFL comes on FanCode. You know, D Sport पे M1 आता है. So wherever you fight, you'll be coming on TV, and that's a big plus. Any contractual questions, very important. Capability आपके अंदर है. There's no number to it. 5 fight के बाद you can do something. There are some debut guys who go and straight great हंगामा है. I'm saying कि ऐसे मत सोचो कि I'm the know all, do all. Like I don't need to come here. I say नहीं आप लोग घूमते आ जाओ. मेरे को जरूरत नहीं है. Always and always team work. Always team work. Nobody is ऊपर, nobody is नीचे. Everybody is equal. And I was actually talking to both the bosses and I was telling them कि India अभी ऐसे स्टेज पे है कि मे बी यहाँ का स्ट्राइकिंग अच्छा है but ग्रैपलिंग कहीं और का अच्छा है. It's okay. Go there and play. Absolutely no problem. If that gym is taking you, go there. No problem. जितना collaborate करो, जितना flexible रहो, that is the only way. And both of them told me, our fighters can do anything. No problem. Without asking. मतलब मेरे हिसाब से ask. मेरे हिसाब से ask. मतलब that is their goodness कि ये बोल रहे कि don't ask. But develop yourself. But make sure it's not कि Conor doesn't go. So you gotta do it. उसकी team set है, but he goes everywhere. In the sparring session, I was very happy to see कि किसी का ego और attitude बीच में नहीं आया. Which was very good because you respect each other. You guys are here to teach each other, build each other. And वो करोगे तो nothing will stop. All of you have had the heart, had the stamina, had the skill set also. So actually I was very happy. बहुत खुश हुई. We were talking very deeply last evening with the bosses and see. मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप जॉब पे जाओ, there's a fight happening there. आपको जॉब का भी फाइट होता है. एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन में भी फाइट होता है. Some battles you have to fight by yourself. When I had met him, 2015-16 तो वो पीक पे था. Of his performance. जब उसका बैंक बैलेंस बढ़ा, ये भी तो डिफरेंट पर्सन। ऑफ कोर्स वी बैक वी चिल्ड, वो सब किया, मैंने तो हिंदी में भी बात कर पाया, सो आई टू हिंदी का बाइट आल्सो, बट यू कैन सी देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ चेंज। जब मेरे बैंक में पैसा आता है देन आई एम अ डिफरेंट पर्सन। आई वुड प्रेफर नॉट गिविंग यू एनी मनी। इफ यू वांट टू फाइट दैट बैटल, फाइट इट। इफ यू डोंट वांट टू फाइट, the guy who won Contenders used to do 3 jobs. He used to work in a tire factory. He did 3 jobs and he won the $1 million contract. If you ask me, don't sign any lengthy contracts unless it's a big organization. You know, PFL, UFC, One. Don't sign lengthy contracts because you don't know. कल उठ के कोई भी अगर contract या any organization अगर बंद हो गया, you know, you're stuck. If that organization doesn't give you fights, you're stuck. I would say 1 साल या 1.5 साल का मैक्सिमम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन अगर मिल रहा है। एंड सी, कभी कभी पैसा कम मिलता है बट एक्सपोजर इज गुड, कभी कभी पैसा ज़्यादा मिलता है, एक्सपोजर इज नॉट गुड। सो कंसल्ट विद द टीम एंड सी। एंड अगेन आई एम ऑलवेज अवेलेबल, यू गाइस कैन ऑलवेज कॉल मी एंड आई टेल यू मेरा क्या टेक है। फाइनल सिग्नेचर आप लोग का है, आई कैन ओनली रेकमेंड एंड दे विल ओनली गाइड यू, बट फाइनल सिग्नेचर इज योर। आपको करना है कि नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है वेरी गुड, करना है वेरी गुड। वन मोर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, आई हेट एक्सक्यूजेस। अगर कोई आके बोले शोल्डर दुख रहा है, ये दुख रहा है, नी इंजरी ना काट के फेंक दो, फाइट ऑन वन लेग। इफ यू वांट इट दैट बैड एंड ही इज द ओनली गाय हु विल डू इट, दैट गाय इज क्रेजी। आई लव हिम, you know, he was almost 10 kilos lighter, but he was going for it. 70, 72, 70, 78 now, 77. अगर आपके दिमाग में एक्सक्यूज है ना, दिस गेम इज नॉट फॉर यू। आई एम टेलिंग यू। We took the China fight on 11 days notice, and when we landed in China, the opponent changed, the weight category changed, and they said, लड़ना है लड़ो, वरना फ्लाइट लेके वापस जाओ। We said we'll do it, take it or leave it. हारा जीता, we don't care. Please don't give your bosses excuses. तो प्लीज अपने आप को एक्सक्यूजेस मत दो, अपनी जिम को एक्सक्यूजेस मत दो, और मैनेजमेंट को एक्सक्यूजेस मत दो।
अपनी ट्रेनिंग को बिल्कुल नो
No excuses.
जब हम किसी प्रो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से साइन करते हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि 3 फाइट देंगे इस टाइम तक, अगर वो नहीं देते तो ये रूल ब्रेक नहीं होता।
You can exit, yeah, you can exit. Say for example 3 fights या 1.5 years suppose. अगर 3 fight 1.5 years में नहीं दिए, you just exit. Organization आपको ज़्यादा पे कर सकेगा, you can fill more seats, या there are more eyeballs that are seen. Now अगर आप बहुत अच्छे फाइटर बनो and इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोग आपको देखते हैं, then you can negotiate and say कि मेरी वजह से आपको इतने eyeballs मिल रहे हैं, so but that comes 5-6 fights down the line. अगर कहीं जाना है, कुछ करना है, they are very flexible and open. I have not met open, flexible people. आना है, नहीं आना है, just maintain transparency. If you want to go somewhere, please tell them. I can bridge some gaps. I can help you. If you want to go to Soma, Bali, Phuket, this, that, we know all of them. You know, cash crunch है, you can try for a discount. You can do all of that. Focus on yourself, but इतने भी selfish ना बन जाओ कि सोचो कि मैं बर्बाद हूँ. That's my only advice. Otherwise, keep going. वो जिम में जाओ तो UFC में जाओगे. At the end, the sheet comes to me. मैंने said that अभी do more than you know, and that goes for every organization. For one, there will be somebody else. तो कच्चे कान के मत बनो. You know, I'm one phone call away. They are one phone call away. अगर कुछ भी doubt हो, please clarify it. You know, and I'll frankly tell you कि हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. They'll frankly tell you yes, we can do, cannot do. Once you guys start climbing up now, बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे, अरे यार तो इतना अच्छा फाइटर है, वो जिम में क्या कर रहा है, यहाँ पे आ जाए. It happens a lot. It happens a lot. And I'm just being open in front of them, ताकि ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत होता है. वैसे कॉर्नर को भी ऑफर्स आते रहेंगे, जॉन जोन्स के पास भी ऑफर आता है, बट सी द पीपल हु बिल्ट यू. एंड अगर आपको लगता है कि वहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, टेल देम वहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी है, लाइक मैं जा रहा हूँ, I'll do 50% there, 50% there. So be open, be transparent. मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि मत जाओ. Balance it in a way कि आपका भी भला हो और इनका भी भला हो. That is important. You guys are super.
You're a very good talent. Very good.
पर ज़्यादा हमें में भी मत उड़ो. Because you guys are not fluent. I saw you were so fluent. Southpaw हो या orthodox. You were moving so fluently. 10 years back ये सब नहीं था. Today the boys are so confident. The girls are so confident. I'm amazed. You guys are at a beautiful age. I'm telling you. And real strength comes only after 25, 26. आपका जो असली strength है, like he is now getting into his peak. You know, guys start peaking after 30. तो don't think कि अरे यार मैं बहुत old हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, वो हूँ. Anderson Silva started at 33 in the UFC. Randy Couture made a comeback at 43 and he won the heavyweight belt at 44. You know, don't think कि मैं बहुत बुढ़ा हूँ या बुढ़ी हूँ या all of that.
So guys, ACS is going to the next league. तो इस event से समझना है.
Fight in good promotions, be with good teams, they will support you.
What should be the ideal timeline for someone who's just starting?
Good timeline I would be is between 3 to 4 years you can turn pro. From the time you start, you know, I do suggest कि start taking amateur fights as quickly as possible. क्योंकि उसमें आपको पता भी चलेगा कि do you want to take a shot or no? क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे fighters हैं जो जिम में ना बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. The moment they get in the cage and they get their first shot, they realize कि अरे यार ये दर्द मैं नहीं ले सकता. You know, but ऐसे भी लोग हैं like these guys. You said ठीक है, bring it on. तो क्या होता है? One cut, one this, that. So I would say between 3 to 4 years you can turn pro. So if you're 20, I would say by 23, 24 you can turn pro. Opportunities है. आप अंडा खा सकते हो, आप केला खा सकते हो, आप रोटी खा सकते हो. So diet is not expensive. अगर आप घर पे करो, diet is not expensive. Diet is not expensive. I know so many people who have peanut butter and kela in the morning and that suffices the workout. That's a very good pre-workout.
How to cut weight? And
That is a beautiful question. That's a beautiful question.
Important है आप लोगों को.
I'll have to sit with you guys individually क्योंकि we can cut weight only with water. It's as simple as that. सोना में 3-3, 4-4 घंटा मत बैठो. That's going to affect your kidney, your liver. मत करो. I can sit with you guys separately and run you through the weight cutting program. I normally suggest once in a week is good enough. If you're cutting weight, I think once in a week is good enough. I don't suggest too much of dehydration also. It's not good.
Week में कितना cut करना चाहिए?
I would suggest 8 to 10% of your body weight. I know people who do 30% of their body weight. So there was a guy called Johnny Hendricks, if you guys know. Johnny Hendricks used to compete at 170 pounds. So on Friday he was 170 pounds. Saturday he's 198 pounds. That's 28 pounds in 24 hours. That's the kind of thing he should do. But yeah, towards the end of his career, he was getting knocked out by everybody. It affected his body so much that he just got knocked out. GSP doesn't cut weight. Frankie Edgar doesn't cut weight. And they had good 12 to 15 year long careers. You know, so don't cut like a crazy. We'll do it for you. I'll show you a pattern. And then you guys can just do it yourself. And actually, I'm very happy that we have this discussion कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 7-8 years back तो लोगों को पता भी नहीं था कि हम लोग UFC जा सकते हैं. It's only when we took Bharat, when we took Anshul, now we took Pooja Kumar. Now वो belief भी आ गया कि अरे यार ये लोग कर सकते तो मैं क्यों नहीं? Of course कर सकते हैं. You guys are the future. Trust me. What talent can I see now? You guys are the future. I'm telling you. 3-4 of you guys can make it at the top now. You'll change the lives of 500 people. Like Bharat Kandare changed the lives of.
Guys will be the road model for next
Yeah.
5 years. Potential है. आज से पहले ऐसा discussion, open discussion कभी नहीं हुआ.
And I'm saying करो, पैसा कमाओ. Who's saying no? करो. Opportunity है. We start at $2, $3, $4, $5,000. This is the basic pay. You know, which is not small. You know, like 4 lakh rupees just to appear. It's not a small thing. जीतोगे तो double. And each fight is a raise. Each single fight is a 10-15% raise. Same conversation I had with Anshul Judbi before the finals. I said, boss, अभी ये तेरा मौका है. जो मेरा काम था वो मैंने किया. Performance of the night, submission of the night, fight of the night. अगर तू लाया, तेरे पॉकेट में 40 लाख रुपए. It's a big amount. 40 lakhs, big amount. And he got it. Performance of the night was 40 lakh rupees straight transfer. With the bigger organizations, the money comes into your account, not with it doesn't. So if अगर कोई भी बोलेगा अरे नहीं यार वो मैनेजर के अकाउंट में डाल दो मैं तेरे को ट्रांसफर करता हूँ, no, it's fight promotion to fighter, as simple as that.